Hello everyone, I'm Devika and welcome to our channel The Assorted Bag. So in today's video, we shall look at some of these high paid, high demanding jobs that you can land if you have a good hold on English language. We all know that English language is a language that is accepted worldwide, and if you wish to pursue a global career that can take you all over the world and you want to land that perfect dream job of yours, it is quite essential to be able to master this language. So when you know English language perfectly, you will have good sense of grammar, punctuation, sentence structuring, all these are there, but apart from that, you would be able to read and write quite effectively. So reading and writing in such a manner that your content is engaging and effective is very essential to be in any particular job that requires English language skills to be incorporated in the daily routine job life. And moreover, if you are good at English language skills and you are an English language major, you would be able to read documents analytically. And this is one skill that every employer desires in his or her employee. So when you can understand a content or document analytically, you can always reframe it in such a manner that you can reach out to masses and make them understand what your marketing or what your service is all about. And this is the thing that every employer wants from his employees. And so today's video is dedicated to all these jobs that you can land if you are good at English language. So let's talk about some of these common, high-paying, in-demand jobs, and let's see which one is your favorite. If you have an English major or have good hold on this language, I'm sure you would want to put it into use and pursue a career that demands good hold on this language. So if you are knowledgeable enough and have good ability to communicate and write in English, then choosing a career where you can progress making use of the skill of yours can definitely take you a long way. So why not have a career where you can make use of your strong skills? And in today's video, we shall look at some of these top 8 careers that you can pursue if you have good hold on this language. So let's get started and look at job number 1. So the first one is that of a news reporter. So yes, if you are a good English language speaker and you can understand this language and present the language in a very good manner, news reporter is a designation that will be extremely suitable for you, because news reporters are somebody who would need to put across issues and events in a not just a local scenario but globally, nationally, and it would be something that you are telling out to the world. So the way you present and communicate your views and opinions and the issues matters a lot. Moreover, apart from being in the newsroom or the studio, you would also need to move around and gather a lot of details on the field work kind of thing. So being able to understand what you're seeing or what people are telling you and then putting it all across in the form of an article and being able to communicate needs a good understanding of English so that you can reach out to the masses in the best possible manner. So this is the first job that if you are a good English language speaker, you should definitely consider this one. Number 2 is that of an announcer. Now, what is an announcer? Yes, if you've guessed it, yeah, you're right. It's about people who take up commentary. As in, it could be radio, sports, music, anything of that nature, but where you need to comment about, say, something that's happening live or it's a telecast of something, and you take the role of an announcer. The major role of this person would be to speak, to announce, but most of the announcers are also required to write their own scripts. So when you're writing a script, you need to make it effective and engaging and also precise, as well as, it should be concise, but it should give out what you're trying to say. So in that case, being a good speaker is not just enough. You need to be able to communicate it, and for that, you need to be able to write good and effective things in English language so that you can make it precise as well as concise. So announcer can be a good career option for people who have a good hold on this language, because you need to speak as well as write your own scripts. 3 is a very high-paying job currently in the global market, and that is of advertising manager. although a tough job, but it is definitely in demand. But if you wish to go ahead as an advertising manager, you need to be prepared for a lot of activities, because advertising manager, we need to develop every aspect of advertising, be it the budget, the conceptualization, and the execution. Moreover, you would be meeting a lot of clients. So that's where your English communication matters, because when you're in the advertising sector, you have clients globally. And again, as English is a global language, you would need to communicate effectively with your clients. So unless you're able to understand their requirements, unless you're able to communicate what your service or what you can provide from your end effectively, the advertisement wouldn't be a success. So to be a successful advertising manager, you would need to have good English communication skills. It's a very high paying job, and you can be really good at it if you have good English speaking abilities. Job is that a public relationship manager or public relations manager. So if you are an English major, that this particular job is definitely perfect for you. That's because this involves a lot of writing as well as a lot of speaking. So when you're working as a public relations manager, you would be representing a particular organization or company, and you might have to write press releases, interact with the clients. You might have to plan out ways of reaching the right audience. You would actually be responsible for making the company or the organization grow. You would be somebody who would serve as an identity to the organization or the face of the organization, and you know how much it matters to be the organization's face. So therefore, the way you communicate, the way you present, the way you talk, and the way you write matters a lot. So there again, your English speaking abilities would matter a lot. Job number 5 that is high paying, in demand, is that of a technical writer. So yes, we already said writer, so that makes it obvious that we are talking about a person who is able to write effectively. But when we are talking about a technical writer, it involves a lot of these technologies. So we know that in the modern day, our world is filled with a lot of these modern machines and equipment, and a lot of these technologies are coming up. And to be able to understand the common man's perspective and needs is important. So if you pursue a career as a technical writer, you would need to understand the user's demand and their level of understanding. So you know the technological aspects, the terms that go behind the scientific creation of a particular device, or how the machine functions, etc. You know all the technologies that go behind it, but how do you communicate it to the common man? So that's where your simplified English writing abilities matter. So simplifying those complex machines and technology and providing it in the form of a document to the user or to the end user, to be precise, is what the task of a technical writer is. So if you work as a technical writer, you would need to summarize in the most simple form of words and give it to the user, who is able to understand what that particular machine or device is meant to do. So if you have a good hold on English and you can write very well, make complex things easy, then this career can definitely allow you grow to a great extent. Profile that any English major can pursue is that of an editor. So you can join a media house or an academic or publication house, and your major job responsibility would be to review other writers' work, or you might have to do these grammar checks, spell checks, and sometimes you might even have to rewrite other people's work. Mostly you might be responsible for managing a team of writers. So as an editor, you're responsible for whatever goes out from that particular team's, whatever article goes out. So you would be actually editor or an editor-in-chief or editorial coordinator, who would be looking at articles or the quality of the write-ups that a team produces. Profile is that of a training and development specialist. So training and development specialist is somebody who would design training modules or training sessions, development programs that is aimed at improving an individual's performance, or your organization might conduct these sessions where they call in trainers or development specialists to speak to the audience or speak to your team, so that they can improve their skills, whether it's communication skills or time management skills. So you can be a trainer or a development specialist who can impart knowledge, or you can conduct these sessions to let out your knowledge to whoever your listener is. So that's where communication plays a major role. You need to be able to communicate properly in English what you wish to tell to your audience. So that's where, again, English speaking abilities plays a major role. High paying, in demand job that we're going to talk about today is that of a copywriter. So as a copywriter, you would be responsible to create write-ups related to the advertising kind of write-ups that are used by publication or broadcast media to promote their goods or services. So you can be a copywriter, or you could be a copywriting team's head, where there would be writers under you and you would be guiding them. So again, being able to write English properly and being able to communicate in the most simplified manner matters a lot in this copywriter's kind of a job profile. So if you have a good hold on English, then again, this particular career can be quite a bright future for you. So I would wrap up today's video here, and I hope you have gained ample understanding of these 8 jobs that were just discussed. So if you have a good hold on English, which is a global language, and if you wish to work globally with international clients, having a good hold on English is essential. And if you have a good hold on English, please do go ahead and pursue a career in any of these that were just discussed. All of them are in high demand and good paying as well. And if you're an English learner, I would still suggest that please continue learning, please continue developing your English skills, and also I'll recommend that do follow our channels. We have videos on English enhancement, English tutorials for basic learners, intermediate learners, as well as for the advanced level learners. So do keep following these videos, and to do that you'll have to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to do that. And I'm sure even the people who are just starting off from the basic line, y'all are also going to be able to learn English very fluently, easily, because it's not that complex and it's quite simple. So do continue learning this language and explore these wide variety of jobs that we just discussed. And if you've liked today's video, if you found it informative, please do leave it in the comment section, and which particular job excited you the most. Do let me know through the comments, and do hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's content. I shall see you all soon again with another video. Till then, thank you for watching, take care, and bye bye.